Phuket was already awake when I lifted off from the hillside above Kata Beach. From the first climb, the resort, the town, and the Andaman Sea began opening beneath me. Beyond the rooftops, the coastline stretched towards small green islands, with waves drawing bright white lines along the shore. From above, busy Phuket suddenly felt calm and unhurried. I followed the water past hillside villas and rocky coves, watching the color shift from deep blue to tropical turquoise. Every turn revealed another quiet corner hidden below the cliffs. Closer to the rocks, the sea became the main character. Waves folded over the granite, disappeared into white foam, and returned again, while the town climbed into the green hills behind them. Turning inland, the Mavic 4 Pro's telephoto camera pulled the distant Big Buddha into view without losing the scale of the landscape. Moments later, the camera looked straight down as the coast passed beneath us. The flight brought me back toward the SIS Kata Resort, where pools, terraces, and gardens sat above the shoreline. It was a reminder that in Phuket, the mountains and ocean are never far apart. Then the light began to change. The afternoon softened into warm orange and pink. The islands became silhouettes, and the last sunlight settled across the Andaman Sea. This was the Phuket I had hoped to capture. With one final roll of the gimbal, daylight gave way to blue hour. The city lights appeared below, scattered across the hills, and the same coastline that felt peaceful by day became electric after dark. If you enjoyed this journey over Phuket, like the video and subscribe to Lewin Ventures for more adventures from above.